Hey everybody, well, this video is all about you. Now, a little while ago I did a video asking you guys to send in clips made by you about you, right? Because I have no idea what you guys look like. Well, a few of you did exactly that, and we're gonna check out the clips right now. Here we go. This video has been made possible by RenderHub.com, the premier site for selling and buying your 3D related content, such as 3D models, HDRI files, sound effects, textures, print ready models, and much more.
Well, my name is John Rayford, and I live in Noblesville, Indiana, in the United States, kind of the center of the state. As you can see, I'm a fairly young-looking 74. I've always wanted to be a 3D artist, but when I was 14 or 15, I thought, wouldn't that be a great thing to do for your rest of your life? Unfortunately, the software was still 50 years in the future, so I had to wait, which I've done. Thanks for listening. Bye.
I love Maya. Mice love Maya. I'm Yemi. I'm a graphic artist. I love Maya. And I love Mike. I'm a trumpeter. And I'm a drummer.
Well, that was a lot of fun, right? I enjoyed it for sure. Now, what we're going to do next is I'm going to announce who won the Amazon gift card, right? And the winner is, drumroll please, Yemi, or better known as Uncle Trumpet. I thought you were very creative. I had a lot of fun checking out your video, and you won the Amazon gift card. So I'm going to contact you and get that all sorted, right? Now, for those of you who didn't have time to do the video, keep in mind that if you still have time to do this, what I'll do is I'll put them up on my website, right? So as of now, any clip you send in, something similar to what you've seen in this video, send that in, I'll put it on my website, right? Well, that said, thanks for watching this extra little video, and see you guys next time. Bye.